Art in the Open is an annual event here at the Center for the Arts, and basically what we do is we open the studios, doors are all open, and we welcome students, faculty, staff, and the general public to come and explore art at UB.
What's happening in my studio is a pop-up that shows a little bit of my thesis research. This is my first time really showing my photography. I've been working as a curator for a few years, and so I've had the experience of talking about my work from a curatorial perspective, but putting your art out there is a much more vulnerable experience, but it's been really great to connect with people.
For Art in the Open, I'm showing a piece that I prepared in a choreography class. And it's such a wonderful opportunity, and also to be able to show it to people who are local and also those who go to school, and also give them an opportunity to experience art.
My work deals with the subject of consumerism, and I use a process that both uses 3D design and photography. I love the interaction with the work. I love questions about it, just because it's kind of a strange medium, so like usually it needs a little bit of explaining.
In the ATRIUM tonight, we're featuring performances from the Department of Music, and we have a great collection of musicians there tonight. We have members of the UB Chorus, we have members of the chamber music, we have UB guitars here.
I feel like it's so easy to kind of get consumed into your own process and your own work that it's nice to have the opportunity to kind of step outside of that and to see what other people are doing, and allowing those conversations to inspire you and allow them to inspire others as well.
It's amazing to see the collaboration and synergy that happens between the students, faculty, staff, and the public. It's wonderful to see how art is being made in the center and how we get to experience it together.